Hey guys, John at Fix a Fence. Man, it's a lot cooler day today. But anyway, I thought I'd come to you today. I was gonna take you guys out on a job site today. Send my cameraman out, but I called the guys up, called the customer up, and told him, I said, well, can I have my camera guy go out there? I can't be in two places at once. They're like, well, we're kind of private people, so we don't want our fence on TV or video or YouTube or whatever for anything for that matter. So, you know, I got to honor their privacy. That's cool. Hey, no problem. But anyway, so that's the job that I was going to show you guys about the extensions. You know, we welded up those extensions, you know, and we're going to put the 6-foot high brown pre-slatted chain link fence on there. So, hey, anyway, no big deal. But hey, I got this other job though, pretty cool. You know, people are going nowadays, instead of wood posts, they're going with steel posts, you know. Well, they should anyway, because wood posts rot. More so nowadays, since pressure treating people are sending the posts through as what? Unseasoned, young growth, unseasoned. Thanks guys. Yeah, anyway, but hey, check this out. I got me a load of pipe there. You know, some 2 3/8 8-foot pipe, you know, and I'll show you what we're gonna do here. And you've probably seen those. You've probably seen those brackets there in at Home Depot or whatever. Let me see if I got some here. Yeah, here's one. Okay, so these brackets here, they're the 2 3/8 brackets, you know, and they slip over. They'll slip over the post, right? And then you're able to take and screw the 2x4 into the bracket there. So anyway, yeah, I got one crew out on that one job. Well, they're taking the tear out stuff to the dump right now, and they should be back here. We'll load them posts up, go get some concrete. But today, what we're gonna do, instead of going out to that other job, I'm thinking, you know what? Let's go get you, let's take you out in action in the field, going for an estimate, showing you how it all begins. And you can maybe get me at my best, you know, talking to the customer. I'll see if I can get it okayed, you know, before I show up, knock on the door. We'll see how that goes. But, you know, I'm taking my cameraman with me today. You know, he's a good dude. He's a retired veteran, well, a disabled veteran, whatever you want to call it. Anyway, veteran of the military, you know, and, you know, he's a buddy of mine, and I've been putting him on some of the camera things that we've been doing, you know, like on, and, you know, so he's got nothing else better to do today. So I've said, you know what, come on, Dave, let's go. You can be my video man today, just taking me, because I'm normally send them out to other places so you can take the guys out there and shoot the guys, you know, or, well, not shoot them, you know what I mean, take video shots of the guys in action, you know. And that's where you've seen the, you know, the wood Z-frame gate, you know, and the other one, the other fence repair that I got out there. Anyway, yeah, he's been taking shots for me out there, and that's kind of cool, you know. I appreciate that. But now he's, you know, kind of cooled off. He's got nothing to do, and he's like, John, come on, put me to work. I'm like, okay, Dave, I'll put you to work, buddy. Catch me at my best, talking to the customer, and we'll take you around, you know, talking, so that way you can understand about, you know, basically what an estimate consists of. And I'm sure you probably already know that, you know. I don't need to tell you anything that you don't know. But hey, come along for the ride. Okay, so we're rolling up on this fence estimate I got, that the guy said that it's all right for me to get him on film here, which is kind of cool, man. This is the first for Fix a Fence, getting an estimate on a video, you know, for you guys to see that what it consists of. I mean, I don't know. I don't know. Have you ever seen anybody ever seen somebody taking an estimate? You know, I mean, the guy called me, found me off of Google, so I made a phone call. I set up the estimate. And here I am, and now it's going to go on YouTube. So I'll be okay right up here at Park Avenue. Here we are. It's this black chain link fence right here. And we're gonna pull in the driveway right up here, I think, where the dog's at. Hopefully I don't get the dog. It's all right. Is he there?
Yeah, he's right.
Okay, well anyway, all right, we're gonna get out and check this out. Hey, so we got back from the estimate, and I'll give you a warning. I'm gonna put it up on video, but just be forewarned, this is the fastest estimate that I've ever given. These GoPro cameras, they're kind of like I don't know, tricky or touchy, because I had Dave out there on the camera. Man, he was excited. First interview, I mean that's probably what happened is our first interview, you know, live interview, man. It was going to be great, you know, we had it all planned out. He did a great job, you know, on the camera, but it was on time lapse. So it's the fastest fence estimate I've ever given, and you're going to watch it right now.